There is evidence police use of deadly force in this country is on the rise, according to information gathered by academics and advocacy groups. It found in 2022 police officers killed 69 people, the highest number in a single year. And there are persistent racial disparities. Black and Indigenous people account for more than 27% of police-involved shooting deaths. The group says no government body in Canada tracks police killings. And as Heather Yourex-West reports, that data is crucial if anything is going to change.
On Christmas Day at this gas station in Strathmore, Alberta, a Siksika First Nation man became one of 69 people killed last year by police.
Which, according to our data, is the highest on record that we've seen.
Criminologist Alexander McClelland is the principal investigator of a new data and transparency project that is working to bring the number of police-involved deaths to light. Going back to the year 2000, the project found there have been 704 police-involved deaths where there was use of force, with most of those deaths occurring within the last 10 years. In fact, researchers found a 66.5% increase in the number of deaths recorded between 2011 and 2022 compared to the previous 10-year period.
We decided to develop this database, make it transparent to the Canadian public so that people can hold to account, ask questions, there can be scrutiny, accountability.
After a Minneapolis police officer murdered George Floyd, an unarmed black man, in the summer of 2020, the issue became an emotional flashpoint. The use of force of police was scrutinized like never before. 3 years later, the new Canadian data set shows things are becoming much worse.
Indigenous people, Black people, people of color are amongst those that are most impacted by police-involved deaths.
The data set doesn't track the circumstances leading to each officer-involved death, and the Ontario Provincial Police Association believes more research is required to explain why these numbers are on the rise.
It's hard to say if we're policing in a more dangerous time, but 5 police officers have been killed in the line of duty in Canada in the last 6 months or so. That's very concerning to the law enforcement community.
Another set of disturbing numbers that highlight a serious problem facing Canadian communities and the need for impactful change. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.